Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another haul video. This video is also going to be a Nykaa part 2 haul video. All of the products like makeup and skincare products, hair care products, mostly skincare products, and couple of them are like makeup products. So these products I have ordered within 2 to 3 weeks. I have already started using couple of products. I have already made a couple of review shorts in details, but as usual I just put them all together in one particular video. So you can also take a look at these products, and all the links would be there in the description box below. So without further delay, let's just get into the video. But before moving ahead, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mandira. I do create videos about lifestyle, beauty, makeup, fashion, and sometimes vlogs. So if that is sort of your thing, then please keep on watching, and please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And with that, let's just dive into the video. So here we go. So these are the products which I have purchased from Foxtail. I have already made shorts on these particular products, so I'll not get into details. So the first one is the Foxtail Overnight Glow Mask, AHA, PHA and Pro Vitamin B5 for all skin types. 30 ml of products आपको मिलेगा, and इसका जो price है वो 595 है. Quickly show you the bottle. This is how it looks like. Absolutely love this product. You should not use it like every day. You are supposed to use it twice or thrice in a week. Check the details in the box and this particular package. They have mentioned the instructions, so if you are going to buy it, check it before applying it. Okay, next one is also from Foxtail. This is the Daily Duet Hydrating Cleanser for all skin types. 100 ml of products मिलेगा. इसका प्राइस है 349. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने शॉर्ट्स बनाया हुआ है, so go check this item out. This is how the packaging looks like. It's absolutely smooth in texture. Your skin will not feel dry at all. Like, this is not sponsored video, guys. I have purchased it literally with my own money, and literally I can vouch for it. I love this product. If you're a dry skin like me, definitely you should check this item out. Next two products are sunscreen. This one is the Essential by Foxtail Daily Glow Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. Niacinamide plus vitamin C is there for all skin types. I have started using it, made shorts on this and this particular product. Go check that video out if you want to know the review. And इसमें आपको 50 ml of product मिलेगा. It cost me around 300 or 400, and this one is also a sunscreen. This is their Cover Up Dewy Sunscreen SPF 70 PA++++. Prevents tanning, niacinamide, Pro Vitamin B5 and Vitamin E. नॉर्मल टू ड्राई स्किन पीपल के लिए है. इसमें आपको प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, इसमें भी आपको 50 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, एंड आई रियली डोंट रिमेम्बर द प्राइस. इट्स अराउंड 500 or 600. Between these two sunscreen, both are equally good. Only the SPF का difference है थोड़ा सा. इसमें 50 plus है और इसमें 70 plus है. But I like this particular sunscreen more. It gives that glowy, dewy look, and I'm always up for glowy skin. If you give me oil, I'll rub that on my face. My skin, of course, needs it because I have an extreme dry skin. So yeah, so that's why I love glowy, dewy, juicy products on my skin. So this is my favorite one, so do check it out. Both the products are equally amazing. I mean, for a sunscreen, I would say. But if you're an oily skin person, don't go for this one. They have other different variants as well for oily skin people, which would be in the gel consistency. That would be best for you. So yeah, that's all from Foxtail. I absolutely loved all the products what I have got from Foxtail. This is also not a sponsored video. It's my personal point of view and opinion, how I felt, how my skin felt after using these products, and I'm yet to explore other products as well. So looking forward to it, and stay tuned for that. Next skincare product is this one. This is from House of Beauty. It's their collagen peptide cream with bakuchiol and avocado. You get 100 ml of product. It's a big tub, and इसका जो price है, I think it costed me around 1000 rupees or 1100 rupees, around that. I did not get any discount on this one, and I have already made a shorts on this one, and if I haven't uploaded it, probably I would be uploading it in few days. So stay tuned for the detailed review, and quickly I'll show you. ये एक ऐसा spatula दिया हुआ है cute सा, and yeah, this is how this product looks like. It's extremely thick, creamy, but absorbs quickly in your skin, and you should not use this product if you're below 30. This particular product targets the aging skin, fine lines, wrinkles, so that's why when below 30 it really doesn't matter that much. But yeah, if you're above 30 or above 40, you can try this product out. Yeah, that is from House of Beauty. Next product is not a skincare product, but it's an accessory. It's a skincare accessory. I do not own any kind of accessory which helps to rejuvenate your skin, helps to circulate the blood flow. And I had one roller, I remember, that was not that in good quality, but somehow or somewhere I lost it. So I decided to get a gua sha, good quality gua sha. So this is the one I got it. It came in this packaging. I started using it as well, but packaging was, it's quite good. ये ऐसा एक satin silk cloth के ऊपर ऐसे आता है. This is how it looks like. Let me just read it out the details. Brand name is Rus Rose Quartz Gua Sha. इसका जो actual price है वो है 1890 rupees. It is little expensive, so I wanted to buy अ गुड क्वालिटी गुआ शा, बिकॉज ये बार बार मैं नहीं खरीदने वाली हूँ, राइट. तो इसके लिए मैं एकदम कम प्राइस में जाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि डिफरेंस क्या है. तो व्हेन आई रेड द रिव्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई क्वाइट लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड, एंड आई हर्ड दिस ब्रांड इज क्वाइट नाइस इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स. आई नेवर यूज्ड एनी अदर स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. सो मुझे ये मिला था 1600 में. आफ्टर 25% ऑफ डिस्काउंट इसका करंट प्राइस दिखा रहा है 1418 रुपीज. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड क्वालिटी gua sha, then you can go for this one. There are other gua shas also available in the market, like Nykaa से उनका होम ब्रांड का एक gua sha मिलता है. बहुत सारे डिफरेंट प्राइस के भी मिलता है. सो वट एवर फिट्स इन योर पॉकेट यू कैन गो फॉर इट, बट इट रियली helps to rejuvenate your skin. I have used this one for a week and I could really see that difference. Okay, why people are crazy about gua sha, I can get it now, and unless you are using it you won't be able to tell that difference. क्योंकि आप जब तक खुद के ऊपर ये यूज नहीं करोगे ना, तो आपको डिफरेंस समझ में नहीं आएगा. Once you wake up, you can use a little bit of moisturizer or face oil and then use this one. I will make a different shorts that how to use a gua sha and how it can help you to have a good skin. Let me just read it out what it actually does. Boost blood circulation and tone your skin for a healthy glow. It's for anti-aging and reduce wrinkles, reduce puffiness, contours and lifts your skin. How you can take care of this tool? It's little expensive, and anyway whatever tool you are using, you are investing money and you are not going to buy it every time. How to take care of it? Wipe before using it. Clean it with a mild soap and damp cloth after using it. Store it in the box, so I always keep it in the box only. You can also keep it in the freezer, so it will give you that cooling effect in the morning if you're using it. It really helps to depuff your skin and I really love it. If you haven't started using it, I would highly recommend you to start using it. Even if you're in 20s, mid 20s or late 20s. So get one for yourself. Yeah, those are the products which I got for my skincare. Let's quickly jump into the makeup products. So these are the couple of lipsticks, lip oil, lip gloss I have ordered. I'll show you one by one. First one is this one. This is from Nykaa. It's their lip oil Giving Magic 11. I think only one shade is available and I have already made a shorts on this one. I really love it. I have already used it and finished this much. What it does, let me give you a quick brief if you haven't watched my shorts. So according to your skin pH level, it changes the color. So it's a lip oil. It really hydrates your lip skin, and इसका जो consistency है, it really like ऑयल, सो थोड़ा सा आपको बार बार लगाना पड़ सकता है, बट when this particular product is not there on your lips, you will still feel that tinted look. You can also use it on your bare skin, like on your cheek. It will give you that flushed pink look, and also it's a lip oil. Okay, so of course it will get removed when you eat or drink anything, but after that also it will give you that soft pink look. That is the best part. And as I mentioned, if you want to see the detailed review, go check my shorts, you will see all the details. Next one is this one. This is a lip gloss. This is from Too Faced. It's their Sunset Crush. This is a beautiful, you know, rainbow sort of gloss. This is how it looks. You can directly use it on your lips as a gloss with the help of little bit of lip liner. Other than that, it may look little pale, which happened in my case. And also after applying any lipstick, you can top it up with this one. It will look amazing. I can show you right now. It's a gloss. See how beautiful it is looking. The glitter they have used in this gloss, it's not chunky glitters. Okay, that's why when you are in a good light or in the sunlight, it looks really pretty. So that's why I got this one. I don't remember the price. I think I haven't mentioned the price of any of these products, but all the links would be there in the description box below, so check that out if you want to try any of these products. Next one is another lip gloss. This is from LA Girl Glossy Plumping Lip Gloss. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने एक शॉर्ट्स बनाया हुआ है. I will not recommend you to buy it if you are looking for a plumping lip gloss, because this did not work for me. The kind of plump I want and the kind of plumping gloss I have used before. There are other amazing lip gloss, lip plumping glosses are available. So I will not recommend you this one, but I'll quickly show you the shade. I love the shade. It's a very pretty pink mauve tone. You can definitely use it as a gloss, only gloss. Okay, it really does not perform what it claims. Like it does not give you that plumpiness. एक cooling sensation आपको feel होगा जरूर, but वो fuller look नहीं आता है unless you are using a lip liner and you know line it properly outside of your lips. Then it may look little different. It claims it's a plumping gloss, but for me it really didn't work, so I will not recommend you. Next one is this lipstick. It's from Inside Cosmetics and it's their non-transfer lip color. I'm in the shade 11 Coffee Command. Okay, let me quickly show you how it looks. This is a pure coffee brown, mocha brown you can say. If you're a little dusky in complexion or deeper complexion, this will look amazing. Also it looks good in medium skin tone or fair skin tone as well. But yeah, this is a nice one. I really like it. I think I haven't made any shorts on this one. I don't remember. If I haven't made it, I'll definitely review and make a shorts on this one in upcoming days, so stay tuned for this. So those are the lipsticks I have got. Let's quickly move on to couple of illuminator or strobe cream I have got. I have already made shorts on all of these products. Just to give you a brief that what are the things I have got. This is the first one. This is from Dot & Key. It's their Strawberry Dew in the Spotlight Strobe Cream. इसमें क्या है, इसमें प्रो विटामिन B5 एंड नायासिनामाइड है एंड 30 ml ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा इसमें. इसका सब कुछ मुझे अच्छा लगा. ओके, इसका जो ग्लोई पार्ट है, हाउ इट फील्स ऑन योर स्किन, एवरीथिंग इज अमेजिंग. प्राइस पॉइंट के हिसाब से भी अगर मैं देखूँ, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली वर्थ बाइंग इट. बट ओनली वन थिंग आई डिड नॉट लाइक इज इसका जो फ्रेग्रेंस है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस मुझे लगा. स्ट्रॉबेरी का इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस मुझे नहीं पसंद. फ्रेग्रेंस है और रहता भी है, आई एम ओके विथ इट इफ इट्स माइल्ड वन और देर इज नो फ्रेग्रेंस. ओके, आई एम ओके विथ बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, बट स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस इट्स अ नो फॉर मी. I do use it and I just want to finish it. I am not going to repurchase this for sure, even if it's good in quality. आई के नॉट टॉलरेट स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस, कोई भी ओबी फ्रूटी फ्लेवर का फ्रेग्रेंस आई रियली कांट बेयर इट. सो इफ यू आर ओके विद द फ्रेग्रेंस, अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंस, देन इट वुड बी अ गुड ऑप्शन फॉर यू. इट्स कॉस्टेड मी आई थिंक 399 और 299 something, under 400 only. It's a good stroke cream, okay, I must say. Next one is this one. This is from Aqualogica. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने शॉर्ट्स बनाया हुआ है. इसका जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, इसमें जो लिखा है पिंक से मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. लेट मी जस्ट रीड इट आउट फ्रॉम माई मोबाइल. The name of this product is Illuminate Lush Strobe Cream with Wild Berries and Alpha Arbutin. 515 इसका करंट प्राइस है, बट एक्चुअल प्राइस है 599. यू कैन यूज इट एज अ मॉइस्चराइजर एज वेल. इसमें भी थोड़ा सा फ्रेग्रेंस है, बट इट्स नॉट दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइक दिस Dot & Key one. It's a sort of my type of strobe cream, you can say, because of the fragrance I'm saying. So this is also a good option if you want to go for a good strobe cream, depending on which one you want to choose. I have made shorts on both, so do check that shorts out if you want a detailed review. I'm mentioning it again and again, so you can go ahead and check the shorts and the review properly before investing your money, okay. Last one is this one. This is little costly, I would say, but I was trying to get my hands on it because I saw so many videos on this one, so I had to do it for my viewers, for my community as well. This is a ELF Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster. इसका प्राइस जो है 1750 रुपीज़ है. इसमें कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं है. It really works amazing on your skin. I mean, you can apply it on bare skin, you can apply it with the foundation or any other moisturizer. Just mix it and then you can apply it. I'm in the shade 3 light medium. There are other different shades available as well. I really think it's worth the money. If you have the budget, if you want to buy a good product, you can save a little and then maybe go for a good product which can give you that satisfaction that yes, whatever I have purchased, it worth every single penny of it. If you also like glowy dewy makeup look, or bare skin also should look like glowy dewy, you can definitely check this item out. Highly recommend you. So those are the makeup items what I have got. Let's quickly move on to perfumes. What I have got, I have already started using it. These perfumes actually I used it on regular basis, so almost मैं खत्म भी कर चुकी हूँ, इतना ज़्यादा मैं perfume use करती हूँ. So let me quickly show you the first one. This is the Rene Bloom perfume. This absolutely one of my favorite go-to perfume, though it does not last more than 3 to 4 hours. It's not, they say it's EDP, but it's not EDP. I mean, you have to reapply it, but I absolutely love the fragrance. It only costed me 500 or 600. I would highly recommend you to go for this perfume if you're looking for something budget friendly. Only thing I did not like, it does not last longer, so you have to adjust a little, okay. I really love it. Totally worth the money. I would highly recommend you to check this perfume out. इसका एक आई थिंक रोल ऑन टाइप का भी आता है, छोटा वाला, जिसमें एक कंसोलिडेट करके डिफरेंट परफ्यूम का आता है. दैट वन यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई. तो सारे परफ्यूम आप चेक करने के बाद छोटा वाला जो ऑप्शन आता है, देन यू कैन डिसाइडेड विच वन यू वांट टू गो फॉर इट. बट फॉर मी दिस इज the perfect one for daily use. I'm planning to, I think I have already ordered one more this one, so you can see how much I have used it. And when I use it, I just keep spraying all over my body and all over my face. I don't know, like कितना भी यूज करूँ मुझे कम ही पड़ता है, तो बहुत जल्दी एक्चुअली ये खत्म हो गया है. Would highly recommend you to get your hands on this perfume if you like a mild fragrance. And this really reminds me that Carolina Herrera का एक परफ्यूम आता है गुड गर्ल करके, उसका. But absolutely worth every single penny. And this is the first one. Next perfume is this one. This is from Carlton London Incense EDP लिखा हुआ है. This is a men's perfume actually. Let me just read it out. It's a limited edition incense perfume for men. 100 ml आपको मिलेगा. इसका actual price है 1990 rupees, means almost 2000 rupees, जिसमें आपको 100 ml of product मिल रहा है. Apart from that one, there are other 2 sizes available as well. If you don't want to go for the bigger one, you can try the smaller one, so get an idea. इसका जो notes है वो top note है orange blossom and blackberry. Heart notes जो है bitter almond, जैस्मिन एंड कॉफी. बेस नोट्स जो है सीडर, व्हाइट मस्क एंड वनीला। ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग है फ्रेग्रेंस। मुझे मेंस का परफ्यूम काफी अच्छा लगता है। लॉट ऑफ मेंस डियो आई डू यूज इट एंड आई रियली लाइक इट। दिस इज द नोट्स ऑफ दिस परफ्यूम। सो इफ यू ऑल्सो लाइक अ लिटिल स्ट्रॉन्ग परफ्यूम देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक दिस आउट। अभी इसका जो डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस है वो दिखा रहा है 60% डिस्काउंट है, तो करेंट प्राइस 796 दिखा रहा है। मैंने भी कुछ 800 के आसपास या 890 रुपीज में मैंने ये खरीदा था जब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था। इसमें अभी ज्यादा ही डिस्काउंट प्राइस दिखा रहा है। सो दैट इज द सेकेंड वन। थर्ड परफ्यूम आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फ्रॉम प्लम। आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट, आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ शॉर्ट्स एंड रील्स ऑन दिस वन। दिस इज देयर प्लम बॉडी लविंग हवाईयन रूम्बा EDP लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बीची परफ्यूम। इसमें दो साइजेस आपको मिल जाएगा। एक है 50 ml जिसका प्राइस है 713 रुपीज एंड 15 ml का प्राइस है 251 रुपीज। सो आई गॉट दिस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट वेंट वायरल. This one I got the smaller one. I knew that this would be a sweet perfume and I am not that fond of sweet perfume. Some perfumes I like, so I got this one. ये मैंने थोड़ा सा यूज किया है, यहाँ तक आप देख सकते हो, क्योंकि मेरे को उतना ज्यादा स्वीट परफ्यूम नहीं पसंद है। ये मैं थोड़ा और 2-4 बार यूज करना चाहती हूँ, देन आई कैन सी, बिकॉज व्हेन आई अप्लाइड इट आई रियली डिड नॉट नोटिस दैट हाउ लॉन्ग इट स्टेज, बट एज इट्स मेंशन्ड इट्स EDP, तो इट शुड लास्ट लॉन्गर। के लिए इसका रिव्यू वीडियो मैंने अलग से बनाया नहीं अभी तक, so stay tuned for that if you really want to know. This is very pocket friendly. At least 3-4 hours तो चल ही जाएगा ये, जैसे कि बाकी का परफ्यूम भी वैसा ही है। तो या यू कैन चेक दिस आइटम आउट। इसका जो बॉडी ऑयल आता है दैट आई रियली लाइक्ड, बट द परफ्यूम फॉर्म मुझे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो इसीलिए मैं बहुत कम यूज किया है, बट इट्स अ गुड ऑप्शन। सो दो ज्यादा परफ्यूम्स आई हैव गॉट फॉर माई डेली पर्पज और डेली यूज। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट आइटम विच इज अ हेयर एक्सेसरीज, or you can say hair tool. This is like I wanted to buy. This is nothing new. This is a hair dryer. My hair dryer like एक दिन मैं बाल सुखा रही थी, thank God कि कुछ हुआ नहीं मुझे। I was using quite affordable sort of hair dryer. I really don't remember कहाँ से मैंने लिया था, क्या लिया था, Amazon से लिया रहेगा, I really don't remember. But one day I started drying my hair and I started smelling like something burning, and immediately my reaction was, let me see, is my hair burning or something? Thank God कुछ हुआ नहीं मेरे hair को। I could see plug point के उधर जो socket लगा हुआ था, that started burning and I was like, oh my God, I was panicked and immediately I switched off and पूरा जो plug होता है ना, इसका जो main socket होता है इसका, ये जो प्लग होता है पूरा जल गया यहाँ से, एंड इट वॉज स्कैरी। एंड आफ्टर दैट आई डिसाइडेड व्हेनेवर आई एम गोइंग टू परचेज एनी हेयर टूल, लाइक स्ट्रेटनर बोलो, हेयर ड्रायर बोलो, एनी हेयर अदर एनी काइंड ऑफ हेयर एक्सेसरीज, ओके, विच आई नीड टू प्लग इट in the socket or electricity is required, I need to have a good quality product. So that's the reason I got it from Iconic. I heard a lot and I saw a lot of videos, review videos की Iconic का products कैसे होता है. That's why I got this one. This one I got it on discount actually. This is the Iconic Professional. Mostly good सैलून में आपको आइकॉनिक का हेयर ड्रायर मिलेगा, और मुझे भी ऐसा ही कुछ अच्छे क्वालिटी के चाहिए था, तो मैंने ये वाला लिया। ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल की जरूरत नहीं थी, घर पे ही सुखाना है बाल। सो आइकॉनिक प्रोफेशनल ब्लेज हेयर ड्रायर ब्लैक, इतना ही है इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में। मतलब इसमें आपको डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स मिल जाएगा, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फंक्शनलिटी के साथ। मुझे ज्यादा फंक्शनलिटी की जरूरत नहीं थी, तो मुझे एक एवरेज सॉर्ट ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी का हेयर ड्रायर चाहिए था, तो इट्स आइकॉनिक प्रोफेशनल ब्लेज हेयर ड्रायर ब्लैक। इसका जो प्राइस है 2300 है एंड करेंट प्राइस दिख रहा है 1656 रुपीज। मैंने जब लिया था कुछ 17 और 1800 में इसको लिया था। इट्स अ गुड क्वालिटी प्रोफेशनल हेयर ड्रायर, सो आई वुड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट और रिकमेंड, डू नॉट गो फॉर अ चीपर प्रोडक्ट फॉर योर हेयर, बिकॉज अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज कर रहे हो ना, हो सकता है आपके साथ भी ऐसा कुछ हो, यू नेवर नो। सो गो फॉर अ गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट when it comes to hair product, or go for an average sort of product which have a good review. You should watch a lot of videos and then use your best judgment and then purchase a product, because don't play with electricity. I really like the product and the quality. I hope it goes longer, like कुछ problem ना हो, एटलीस्ट ऐसा शॉर्ट सर्किट वाला सिचुएशन ना हो जहां से अगर थोड़ा टाइम अगर मैं और रुकती ना तो पूरा ब्लास्ट हो जाता. So thank God saved me. So yeah, that's all I have got from Nykaa this time. Yeah, I hope you really liked and enjoyed this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. That would mean a lot to me. And if you have any video suggestion, if you want me to review any particular product, do comment down below. I will try my level best to incorporate that in my upcoming videos. And let me know if you have already purchased any of these products or used any of these products. I love to know about it. Do let me know in the comment section, and I love to read your comments as usual. And if you like my content and video, I'm super active on Instagram as well. Please do give me a follow there. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.